Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys seem to like my last recipe reboot that I did. You can click on it right here if you want to watch. So I thought, it's sunny outside, I might as well do another one with a little bit of a summery, springy theme. So today, I'm gonna be rebooting my peanut butter chocolate milkshake. And yes, it is as delicious as it sounds. It's such an awesome sweet treat if you're craving something to scratch the itch, but you don't want to eat a lot of sugar. So before we get started though, I want to show you how bad my old video was. It is so cringy to watch. I have my hair in one pigtail. I mean, it's gonna be bad.
Today I'm making a chocolate banana peanut butter milkshake.
Oh my god, we didn't retake it. We didn't even cut it out. I am so hyper. You can't even tell what I'm saying. Okay, let's speed this up. I'm just spooning peanut butter in. God, I'm so embarrassing. Oh, Lexi's so cute.
Yum. Delicious.
All right, you guys, it is so sunny outside. It's Seattle, and it is a whole 65 degrees. So I'm wearing shorts and a tank top, and we're about to make this milkshake, and it's gonna cool me down. It's gonna be great. So to start off, we're gonna add in 2 frozen bananas. The bananas are gonna add a natural sweetness. They're gonna thicken it as well. They're kind of melting, but it's okay. Then what we're gonna need to do is add in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I am obsessed with peanut butter, you guys. Probably should have gotten a spatula. It's okay, I'll just use my finger. This video was supposed to be better and like less cringy than the last one, but honestly, it might even be worse. Recipe, what's deboot? No, demote? What's the opposite of reboot? Deboot? Wait, what is it? Next up, for that chocolatey flavor, we're adding in 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, right in here. And it's gonna add that amazing chocolate flavor without all the extra sugar. Next up, we've got some maple syrup. This is optional and it's a natural sweetener. So if you want your milkshake a little bit sweeter but you don't want to add in a ton of sugar, this is gonna be your best friend. Then we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of almond milk. I personally like using almond milk instead of regular milk because dairy makes me break out and that is just not a good situation for anybody. So almond milk is the way to go, at least for me. So we're adding that right in there. A pinch of salt. We're gonna cut the sweetness a bit. Last but not least, some vanilla extract because everything's better with vanilla extract in the sweet world. So that goes right in there. And then last but not least, actually this one is the last ingredient, I promise. We're gonna add in some ice cubes. Now, again, this is optional. If you want your milkshake super thick and creamy, you can add some ice cubes. If you want it a little bit more like a drink, I guess, rather than ice cream, then you don't have to put this in. But personally, I'm all about the really, really thick milkshakes and ice cream. So I'm adding in a few ice cubes. And then we blend. Push all the ingredients down and make sure they're blended. There we go. Bam. All right, I'm gonna go grab a cup and I'm actually gonna make a cut in the video. In my old videos, I would just walk straight off the screen. But for all of you guys, I'll actually cut it in 3, 2, 1. Boom, we got a cup with a cute straw. This is what heaven looks like for those of you who haven't seen this. You guys, this milkshake is one of my favorite summer treats. And I mean chocolate and peanut butter. How could you go wrong? Seriously, this is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna set this down before I drink the whole cup. But I want you guys to know that if you're looking for a sweet treat just to scratch the itch, this is the recipe to try because it is so delicious and it's super simple. You guys just watched it. Also, let me know what you guys think of this whole recipe reboot series because it's really fun for me to film because I love making fun of myself. Plus, the recipes that I made a couple years ago are so delicious. I just want to give you guys a video that isn't as cringy and hopefully you enjoy watching it. But if it's still cringy to you, then who knows? Maybe I'll do another reboot series in 5 years and I'll make fun of this video. So let me know what you think. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.